So what we're introducing here is our seat foam for the first seat that we built. This seat we've used in the C3 and it's going in our C2 project. It was designed to go with our C2 with our raised deck lid. Kind of gives you the humps, the 2 speed bumps on the deck lid that everybody seems to want. So we've used a local trim shop to make our seats in the past, and they always had to cut the foam out. And so we've made our own foam pack. So we poured this foam in a 2-part mold. We start out with your basic seat. This seat was designed off a style like a C5, C6 seat. We didn't reinvent anything here, we just kind of changed it. And so we have our basic seat made. Finished off on both sides, the back side. So we offer it in standard fiberglass, and we also offer it in carbon fiber. So if you're doing something where you got a carbon fiber thing going on, that's what you want. So the gist of this whole thing is the inserts for the foam. You got your lower panel. This foam gets glued to the lower panel. And then when you're doing your seat, how our guys have done it for us is they wrap your leather around, attach the leather to the hard panel, because you can't just attach leather to foam. And so then the same idea we used from the way the C5, 6 style seat is made, it's Velcroed into place. So you put Velcro on the hard panel to hard panel, and then it sticks in there. So the same token on the back, you see this thing is made to fit it like a glove. So when you lock it in there with your Velcro, and then this panel is glued, so now you can take it out, you cover it. The back side of it, we made our foam pack higher to accommodate for the look of what we're trying to achieve in the C2 car with our deck lid. If you don't want it that high, cut it down, change it a little bit. You can add to this foam if you want it thicker. This foam is fire rated, so it's made for a seat, automotive seat. So we've taken and sit on this thing for a few hours, sitting in a chair to test drive it. We haven't test drove it going down the road yet, but we're going to move forward on this. So that's the concept of our foam. This is going into C2 we're building. Thanks for watching.
Visit us at dynamiccorvettes.com or stop by our shop and witness the fusion of artistry and engineering that defines our work.